Hello everyone, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry. Today I am going to give you some important questions on what the first topic, that is organic chemistry. Okay, GOC, general organic chemistry we called. Okay, in this case these important questions means assignment work, okay, for you people, WhatsApp group only, okay, not all the YouTubers, our student WhatsApp group only. Please listen here carefully. These assignment questions are most important for what few board exam. Okay, that is why in this case I am going to give a 1 marks question as well as what a 2 marks question. Okay, in organic chemistry means in entire chemistry there is no full of 5 marks question, there must be a what sub question only. Sub question means what, if 5 marks is there, they are going to divide 3 plus 2 like this, again they are going to divide 2 plus 1 like this. Okay, that is why in this case I am going to give some important questions on this topic. After that means what, next day means tomorrow I am going to give some important questions on what, atomic structure. Okay, in this case most important part is what, IPAC nomenclature, but I am going to tell you the fact means you have to write two times you have to write. If college opens in the month of January first week, means do not worry, means if first week not open means in a home you have to write compulsory all the questions. I will give some day, means what, by chance college opens means no problem, if college will not open means what, keep with you only. Okay, I will tell you later, in that time means you have to submit. Okay, but you have to write two times compulsory. Okay, just here in this case I am going to give some clues how to write a questions. Means in this case two times means you have to write question with answer. Okay, that is important. First you have to write question, after that you have to write answer. Okay, that is important. Just here in this case what, totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 questions are there, but in this case 6 question is also having a what, sub question. 6 question is also having a what, sub question. First just see here the first question, give the IPAC names of the following compounds. In this case what, totally up to D. Okay, in this case totally 6 compounds are there, you have to write IPAC nomenclature. Okay, you have to refer NCERT textbook. Okay, all the questions from what, NCERT textbooks only. Okay, better you have to refer NCERT textbook only. Already I posted that PDF file in WhatsApp group. Okay, just that open that topic. If you do not have NCERT textbook means just that open PDF file, definitely you will get an answer for all this question. Okay, this is important, you have to write compulsory. This one I told in what, YouTube channel only, but do not worry about rules. In examination they are not going to ask you what, explain rule number 7, explain rule number 4 like this, but you have to remember all the rules, then only you can write the answer for what, IPAC nomenclature. Okay, here is there, this one is I explained regular video only. Okay, this one is, okay, everything is most important. Okay, make it perfect. How many compounds IPAC nomenclature you know, right, otherwise you do not know some of the compounds, leave it, do not worry. Okay. Next, second one, what are the hybridization states of each carbon? This is important word. Okay, in this case I am asking what, each carbon hybridization, each carbon atom in the following compounds, they are given. Here is what, 1 2 carbons are there. No, you have to write what is the hybridization of these 2 carbon. In this case 3 carbon is there. In this case what happened, here carbon is there 2, after that what, here is another CO, double bond O is there, after that C6H6. What is the name of C6H6? Benzene. Okay, in this case you have to write all the hybridization, otherwise you have to refer old year question paper also. Okay, in that case also compulsory they asked what, they will provide one compound, after that they are going to ask you what, to write the hybridization of each carbon atom. Okay, you have to write, no problem. Next, after that question number 3, write definition of given terms. In this case what, A, B, C. Okay, 3 points are there. In this case you have to write definition. Along with what, example also you have to write, no problem. First one is what, inductive effect. Inductive effect is divided into what, plus I and minus I. You have to write definition of plus I and minus I, compulsory. Next, after that resonance effect is there. You have to write compulsory what, plus R and minus R effect definition. Okay, resonance effect, another name for what, mesomeric effect you call, no? Mesomeric effect or resonance effect, both are same. In that case compulsory you have to write what, definition of what, plus R and minus R. After that electromeric effect, you have to write the definition of electromeric effect. Hyperconjugative effect is there, no? If you want you can write that point also, no problem. Next, after that, question number 4th is there, write the definition with an example of following terms. Here is there, in this case they are asking what definition with terms. First, structural isomerism you have to write. What are the structural isomerism definition? In that, the first one is chain isomerism definition you have to write along with examples. Okay. The second one is what? Position isomerism definition you have to write along with what? Examples. Next one is what? Functional group isomerism definition with example. The next one is what? Metamerism. All these definitions are most important. They asked what so many times in what PU board exams. Okay, that's why these definitions along with example most important. These all are having what? 2 marks question. Where there is simple, they are asking means write the definition, means that is 1 marks. If they are asking write definition with example, that is what? 2 marks. Okay. Next, after that, 5th questions, what are nucleophiles and electrophiles along with examples? You have to write all the examples for nucleophile, and next one is what? Electrophile. First you have to write definition, what are nucleophiles and what are electrophiles. After that you have to write definition. All these things for 2 times you have to write. Okay. 6th one, what is homologous series? Give an example. This is also important question. So oftenly they are asking this question, what is homologous series, and give example. In this case, important point is what? Difference is what? CH2 group only. Okay, that point is there, you have to write. All these questions are most important. Okay, make it perfect, you have to write it 2 times. Okay, if you want, you can take a screenshot. Take care.